Tarun.
Hi, Amma.
What shall we do today? Today we shall be making 5 different glittering eggs. What all do we need, Tarun?
Did you 5 glasses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Then
5 food colors.
5 food colors. Very good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Then
We used to have blue liquid.
then what else do we need?
Vinegar
Vinegar. Then
and 5 eggs.
5
1,
eggs.
2, 3.
What is the next step?
Can we
The
know
next step is we need to pour vinegar in all the glasses such that the egg is completely immersed in it. Okay, shall we pour the vinegar, Tarun?
Yes, Amma. Can I pour it, Amma?
Slowly, slowly. Be careful. This much is enough, Tarun. 1, 2. What we do next, Tarun?
What to do next,
We need
Amma?
to put 2 drops of each liquid. 1, 2. Okay.
And also,
This one. 1, 2. Okay.
red, brown, yellow, blue, and also green.
Okay, very good. So next what we need to do to make the glittering eggs, we have to put egg inside this and you should not touch it. Yeah, egg is immersed. Will you put 1 egg inside?
Yes, Amma.
That's all. Okay, 1 more egg. Yeah, 1 more egg. Okay. You want to put 1 more egg?
It looks like a kiwi.
Yeah, see. Are you happy, Tarun?
I'm
Rushil, are you happy? Yeah, see, egg is inside. Egg is inside. Look here, all the eggs are immersed in vinegar. See there, Raju, there is some reaction that is happening here. Look here, see, there is reaction. Okay.
Yes.
So we need to keep this solution for 3 days. We should not touch it. We should not touch this for 3 days. Okay? And come here, Tarun. Come here. Egg is inside. Egg is inside. We should not touch this for 3 days. Tambi wants to see chemical reaction again. Again, don't touch, Tarun. You should not touch it. See? Don't touch. Okay? See?
It's coming.
See? Just look here. Chemical reaction. Look.
Chemical reaction.
Look. So beautiful it looks, isn't it? Shall we place this for 3 days?
Yes, Amma.
We should not touch it again. Okay, come, let's take it outside and place it. Yes, now we have bought all the
4 eggs.
1 more egg you already bought, which we tested. Okay, the green one. Okay, we will now demonstrate and show the 4 eggs. Okay, now it is dissolved. What we need to do, Tarun?
What we need to do, Amma?
We need to take this, pour this vinegar in the sink and just wash off the outer layer. The outer layer is calcium white, egg white. Egg white will be a bit sticky. When you pour it in water, it will actually get removed. Just remove it off and you will get a bouncing egg. Okay, shall we do that, Tarun?
Yes.
Come here. Yes. Turn on the tap. Slowly wash off the white. There will be some sticking white part still here. We'll remove that part. See here?
Yes.
This egg white part will get dissolved. Okay. This is 1 bouncing egg. Keep it here. Into the other one, the blue one. should handle it gently, Tarun. Or else they'll just wash it out. Oh! Oh, it broke! The blue one broke. It be very gentle. Oh, we got Tarun. We have 2 eggs. Don't touch it, Raja.
I have 2.
2. The other 3 broke. Tarun was playing and he broke. The green one, Tarun broke it off. It will be very delicate. You need to handle it gently. See? It bounces like this. Okay. If you keep this behind the flashlight, it works very well. See? Bouncing eggs. What happened to this egg now? The white part of the egg, it is hydrophilic with vinegar. Okay, that is, it gets dissolved in vinegar. As soon as it gets dissolved, what happens? The naked part of it will be left out, and we had put food colors, right? That food colors get absorbed here, and that's the reason we get yellow egg. See, the green egg you already broke. You have to be very gentle, or else it will just burst. See? Wow, it's bouncing so well. Look here. Look here. The other 3 eggs also Tarun broke. Are you happy? Come here.
Book. And the red also broke.
Green, blue and red, all the 3 broke. Are you sad?
I am sad, Mama.
It's okay, Raja. I will make it again, okay? So just bounce it now, but slowly. Very slowly. Or else it will break. See? Bouncing balls. Okay, if you keep it near any flashlight, it will actually glow very well. If you keep it near the flashlight, it grows very well. Okay? Did you enjoy this experiment, Tarun?
Yes.
But be careful, don't throw it from top. No, come. Why did you break it, Tarun? Why did you break the other 2 eggs? Amma is sad.
Don't be sad, Mama. Shall we make another one?
But it will take 3 days again to make it.
Again?
Yeah, that's why we could have taken pictures and then you could have thrown it. We should handle it gently, okay? From next time. But did you like the bouncing egg experiment?
Yes, Mama.
We shall do it again?
Yes, Mama.
Okay, say bye to everyone.
Bye, Mama.
Bye, baby.